How many world championships have you won in 2018? Not yet. And that's what I want for you. That's what I want for you. I want you to win this world championship. And to do that, you got to be here. You got to be here.
Come on, y'all. Come on, come on. Come on.
Both teams will be happy in different ways. The United States and America will get the 87 to 67 win.
Really good job. Way to finish it off. We got to continue to turn the page and learn as we go along.
Day 2 and the USA get the 100 to 88 win.
Let's correct some of the things that we've been working on today. And don't let your practice be in vain. Don't get us another. Together, 3, 1, 2, 3. Together.
Work in the keyway, goes with the right hand, hook for 2. Now that Shirazi has numbers. Pulls up, pulls the trigger for 3. In traffic. Ryan gets the rebound, can't get the putback, goes back up, and one.
Great game, guys. Great game.
I think it's been a progression of style that we want to get to. You know, from game 1 to game 3, I think we've seen a lot of improvements. You know, we've only been together for a week. Sometimes we want it to happen just right away, but it takes a while to get used to each other on the court again.
To get through pool play, we learned a whole lot about ourselves. I'm super proud of our team for the effort that they put out there tonight, but you know, the next game that we play is a big one because it moves us into the medal rounds and competing for a medal, which we came here to do.
Together, 3, 1, 2, 3. Together!